Hey everyone, today I have a Leatherman that was sent to me to do a product review on, so let's jump right in. Most people have heard of a Leatherman. It's not uncommon. It's a pretty well-known name in most households, at least where like I was growing up and things like that. This is a really cool product. Makes it super easy for people. This one does come with screwdriver attachments here. Comes with your little carrying pocket case here that this slips down into. So for those who are not familiar with a Leatherman, it is a multi-use tool. So it has a set of pliers on it. It has a serrated knife with the hook on the end here. It has struggling to get it open here. Another nice serrated saw type blade. It has a really thin rasp. It has a really nice pocket knife, as well as a screwdriver, a bottle opener. As you can see, it has a little measuring device here. A Leatherman is a valuable tool. Very multi-use, multi-purpose. They are solid. This one is titanium. Overall, a great product.